Have you ever been torn between two equally enchanting travel destinations? How do you choose? It's a dilemma many of us have faced, the choice between two places that both promise adventure, culture, and unforgettable sights. A coastal gem, steeped in history, or a colourful paradise renowned for its breathtaking vistas. The decision isn't easy, but that's where we come in. Well, today we delve into the heart of Italy, comparing two of its most captivating locations, Amalfi and Riomaggiore. Amalfi, a dazzling gem resting on Italy's southwestern coast, is a haven for history buffs and beach lovers alike. Cradled by verdant cliffs and kissed by the azure waves of the Mediterranean, Amalfi boasts a captivating blend of natural beauty and human ingenuity. The town's rich history is mirrored in its architecture, where every nook and cranny whispers tales of a bygone era. Majestic cathedrals and quaint houses, their facades adorned with Byzantine art, stand testament to the town's medieval grandeur. The crowning glory, though, is the magnificent Amalfi Cathedral, a marvel of Romanesque design that commands attention with its grand staircase, gleaming bronze doors and stunning mosaics. Venture away from these architectural marvels and you'll find yourself lost amidst the vibrant streets of Amalfi. The town's narrow, winding lanes are a kaleidoscope of life, brimming with bustling markets, charming cafes and artisan shops. The scent of fresh lemons fills the air, a nod to the region's famed citrus groves, while the sounds of laughter and chatter echo off the ancient stone walls, creating a symphony of life that's as intoxicating as it is heartwarming. Yet it's the breathtaking coastal views that truly set Amalfi apart. The town's terraced hillside cascades down to the sea, offering a stunning panorama of the Mediterranean. The sun paints the sky in hues of gold and rose at dawn and dusk, casting a magical glow over the town and the shimmering sea. It's a sight that's both serene and spectacular, one that's sure to etch itself into the depths of your memory. Amalfi is not just a destination, it's an experience. Every element, from its historic architecture to its lively streets and stunning coastal views, comes together to create a symphony of sights, sounds and sensations that's as diverse as it is delightful. From its sun-kissed beaches to its rich history, Amalfi surely knows how to leave a lasting impression. Now, travel with me to the eastern part of the country, to the vibrant village of Riomaggiore. This little slice of Italian paradise is nestled in the region of Liguria, in the heart of the Cinque Terre. Here, culture and nature blend seamlessly, creating an atmosphere that is as unique as it is welcoming. Riomaggiore is a place of many colours, both literally and figuratively. The village itself is a vibrant palette, with its brightly painted houses seemingly defying gravity as they cling to the steep cliffs. Each building, each street, each corner is a splash of colour, a visual feast that never fails to delight. But the colours of Riomaggiore go beyond the physical. Here, life is lived in technicolor, with the locals' warm hospitality and the village's rich traditions adding their own hues to the mix. The natural beauty of Riomaggiore is breathtaking. The rugged cliffs, the azure sea, the lush vineyards, everything here is a testament to the power and the beauty of nature. And the best way to experience this natural splendor is by exploring the village's many hiking trails. These paths offer stunning views of the landscape and the sea, and they are a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. But Riomaggiore is not just about the views. This village is a place where you can lose yourself in the rhythms of daily life, where you can sit at a cafe and watch the world go by, where you can savor the flavors of the local cuisine, where you can simply be. Here, tranquility and vibrancy coexist, creating an ambience that is both invigorating and soothing. Riomaggiore, with its captivating colours and tranquil ambience, offers an unforgettable journey into Italy's heart. This is a place that invites you to slow down, to breathe, to experience. So, if you're looking for a destination that combines natural beauty with cultural richness, look no further. Riomaggiore is waiting to welcome you with open arms, and once you've been here, you'll carry a piece of this colourful paradise in your heart forever. While both locations offer a unique slice of Italian life, their cultures are as diverse as their landscapes. Let's start with Amalfi, a dazzling coastal gem on the Amalfi Coast. Here the culture is steeped in history and tradition. The locals live a vibrant lifestyle, with the town's historic architecture and bustling streets serving as their daily backdrop. The Amalfitans, as they are called, are known for their warm hospitality and love for their local customs. From the grand feast of St. Andrew to the traditional regatta, Amalfi is a town that loves to celebrate. Now move from the lively streets of Amalfi to the food. Oh, the food. Amalfi is a gastronomic paradise, famous for its seafood lemons and, of course, the local liqueur, limoncello. If you're fortunate enough to visit, make sure you try the scialatielli alla malfitana, a local pasta dish that is as much a part of Amalfi as its stunning cathedral. Now let's hop over to Riomaggiore in Cinque Terre. This picturesque village is a stark contrast to Amalfi. The pace of life here is slower, more tranquil. The locals, or Riomaggioresi, cherish their solitude and the natural beauty that surrounds them. Their culture is deeply intertwined with the great outdoors, from the vineyards that produce their renowned wines to the hiking trails that crisscross their land. And speaking of food, Riomaggiore has its own culinary delights. Anchovies are a local specialty, often served fresh from the Ligurian Sea. Pesto, a sauce made from basil, garlic, pine nuts, cheese and olive oil, is another local favorite, hailing from the Liguria region. The food here is simple, fresh and deeply rooted in the land and sea. In terms of traditions, Riomaggiore is famous for its Nativity of the Sea, an event where locals set out hundreds of floating candles on the sea. It's a sight to behold, one that captures the village's deep connection to the sea and its traditions. So there you have it, Amalfi and Riomaggiore, two Italian destinations with their own unique cultures. While Amalfi thrives on its vibrant lifestyle and historic traditions, Riomaggiore offers a tranquil escape, with a culture rooted in nature and simplicity. Whether it's the bustling streets of Amalfi or the tranquil trails of Riomaggiore, both locations offer a rich cultural experience. So, how do you choose between these two Italian paradises? Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about these two awe-inspiring locations. Amalfi, a shining beacon on the Amalfi Coast, exudes an irresistible charm with its historic architecture, vibrant streets, and close proximity to other scenic destinations. It's a place where past and present intertwine, where you can saunter through the labyrinthine streets, absorbing the sights and sounds of a culture steeped in history. Then there's Riomaggiore, one of the 5 picturesque villages of the Cinque Terre. It's a realm of colour with buildings that look like they've been dipped in a painter's palette. The hiking trails here offer a tranquil retreat, a chance to escape the hustle and bustle and immerse yourself in the serenity of nature. The views, oh the views, they're enough to make any heart flutter with joy. But how do you choose between these two? Well, it really depends on what you're seeking. For the history buffs and culture vultures, Amalfi could be your dream destination. With its rich historical tapestry, there's no shortage of stories to uncover and architectural marvels to admire. Meanwhile, if you're a nature enthusiast, a fan of peaceful hikes and breathtaking landscapes, then Riomaggiore might just be calling your name. Its tranquil trails and stunning vistas offer an idyllic escape from the world. Of course, these are just generalizations. Both places have elements of history, culture, and natural beauty. It's about the flavor you prefer, the environment you feel most drawn to, and the experiences you want to collect. In the end, it's not so much a competition between these two Italian paradises, but rather a celebration of the diverse beauty Italy has to offer. It's about the joy of discovery, the thrill of exploration, and the memories you'll create along the way. Whether you're drawn to Amalfi's vibrant streets or Riomaggiore's tranquil trails, one thing is certain: Italy never fails to enchant.